Raise your hands for security clearance. And presto, the doors open for you. I now present to you...
My friends, you're one step closer to your exciting encounter with the Guardians of the Galaxy.
This flattering on a constant loop was big motivation for me to escape. Ouch! Ow! That was not part of the plan! What? Of course I escaped! For those of you who have not been paying attention, the name's Rocket, one of the Guardians of the Galaxy. The smart one. Listen up. He's gonna put you on a gantry lift for your tour. I'm gonna sneak on top of your lift and take us all the way to the big old generator control room. I'm gonna blast that thing and destroy all the control systems, which will open up every cage in this freak show and free my friends. Our buddy Mantis is in the getaway ship waiting for my signal, and then we'll be on our merry way. But this plan won't work unless you help. I don't have clearance. My hands don't scan. Yours do. If you raise your hands, I get the clearance and the chaos begins. It's a foolproof plan. Oh. I'm gonna take this. Now move it.
My dear friends, this is the moment I've been waiting for.
The rocket unplugs you and starts things rocking. Show me those hands, people! You got clearance, let's roll. Okay, I got it.
Ladies and gentlemen, please gather your belongings and watch your step.